Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to check your account status on Instagram. So let's go ahead and open our Instagram app. If you're not already on your profile, go ahead and hit the bottom right profile picture of yours and it will send you to your profile. Once you're here, let's go ahead and go to the top right 3 horizontal lines, and we're actually going to choose the first option of settings. Now where we want to go is we want to go 3 to the bottom and choose account, and then as you can see about 5 down is account status. So if you choose this, it's going to come up with a screen that either tells you haven't posted anything that is affecting your account status like mine, but if you actually have, like if you've gone against the community guidelines, it will come up and you can see if you have any strikes in your account or any type of risk of them taking your account down. And you can also choose this community guidelines link here, and you can look over the guidelines through that. And then if you need more information, on the top right there is a circle with an eye in it for information, and you'll get a little bit more help on this page as well. So if this helps you guys out, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.